It's worth pointing out that blue jays do not generally do this. They very quickly grab their food and get out. They do not just hang out like this. Ever. Unless they clearly feel secure. Hey, Blue. Hey, buddy. He's on the floor now. Hey, Tuki. Hey, beautiful. We came to hang out. Beautiful bird. Hey. Where'd Blue go? He's definitely still here. Or she. But probably behaving more the way it normally does. Stick and move. Stick and move. That was very abnormal to see it just hanging out like that on the feeder. I didn't even start recording until after it was there for a full minute. Wow. And the coolest part is it didn't come until I called it. There's a nest, there's a blue jay nest in one of the trees around here. I don't know which one, but it's close enough to hear me, that's for sure.